Okay. Good morning, class. Please stand up. May I request to lead for the prayer? So let us pray. Father, Son, and Father, and Amen. Amen. Once again, good morning, class. Good morning, Ma'am President Award. Before you take your seats, can you give us some pieces of papers in your chairs and properly? Class President, please answer today. None. Okay, very good. Okay, since this is our first meeting this quarter, I will dictate the classroom. First and foremost, do not absent. Second, respect each other. Third, listen actively. And last, if you want to answer, if you have any questions, just raise your right hand. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, welcome to our first lesson in this subject. And now, let's play a game. It is called Last Man Standing. The last person who stand will give an examples of anything that can be seen here inside our classrooms and explain its uses. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is group 1, group 2, group 3. So, last man standing, group 2. Okay. Wala. Sige, last man standing, group 1. Oy, Angelica. Last man standing. Sige, Angelica. Give an example of things that can be seen inside our classrooms and explain its uses. Table 1. Okay.
It is used for working and eating from or waste things.
Okay, very good. Another one, let's standing group 3. Oh, this again. Okay. Descent questions.
So, eating, ma'am.
And
It is used to broadcast products for internet information and education.
okay, thank you. I have here some pictures and I want you to tell me what have you observed or what is in the picture first.
Eyes, ma'am.
Ice, yes. Is ice heavy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How about this?
Ice is not ice.
Yes, the ice are melted. So what for you? What caused the ice is melting? Or if the these ice are continuously melting, what could happen?
Become water.
Yes, it's the water. And this?
It shows that water evaporates to the ground.
Yes, the water evaporates to the cloud. What it makes the water evaporate?
Because of the animal.
Hands up if you want to answer, Angelica.
Because of the heat.
Yes, it's because of the heat. So I will explain it further as we go through our discussion. Next, let's unlock some terms or difficulties that you might encounter in our discussion. So first, this is called corporate standard class. Who wants to answer first? Discern.
Mass.
Yes, when we say mass, it is the force of an object. It is the force of the gravity acting on an object. Again, this is the force of an object. Gravity acting on an object. Number 2. Shireen, can you answer this in the whiteboard. Yes, arrange it. Okay, it's relationship. What is a relationship? It is when the two people or when the two things are connected to each other. So what do you think our lesson for today class? Share it.
So about mother.
Yes, it's all about mother. Before we begin, before we go to our discussion, I want you first to read the objectives.
At the end of 40 minutes period, the students are able to compare solid, liquid, and gas. How about the movement of particles of solid, liquid, and gas? Give an example of solid, liquid, and gas and explain its importance and use.
Okay, I have here a video and I want you to observe because at the end of this video I will ask some questions. Here's okay class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all. So what have you observed in the video class? Shirley.
I observe about the solid, liquid, and gas.
Yes, solid, liquid, and gas. Now give me an example of solid, Angelica.
Example of solid is notebook, toothbrush, soap, TV remote, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and crayons.
How about the liquid? Yes, Angelica.
Example of liquid now is water, shampoo, and milk.
Okay. How about the other people? Angelica.
Example. The example of gas is candle, vapor, air, balloon.
What else? Banana. Okay. These items here are also green. So what do they have in common? Can you please read the
Materials is solids they keep their strength unless a force is applied to them. Solids can be cut, squashed, or twisted. They will not change shape on their own. Solid materials always take up the same amount of space. They do not spread out the flow. Slides do not have to be hard. They can be squashy or
Okay, everything that you see is composed of solid. The air we breathe, the food we eat, is all about solids. So have you wondered why is the cherry solid? Well, the water is liquid. That they are different in their characteristics rather. So it's because the solid has definite shape and also has definite volume. This is because their particles are actually or they are close to each other. The particles move within the solid, but they are held together. Understand? Yes. Next, can you read Shirley?
Materials in a liquid state take the shape of the container they are in. Although liquids can change shape, they do not change their volume. This means they still take up the same amount of space. Liquids are cooled down. Liquids are rolled down to the bottom of a container by gravity. Liquids can flow, or be falling.
Okay, thank you. A liquid does not have a definite shape unlike the solid. Yeah, that has a definite shape, while the liquid does not have definite shape, but it has definite volume. The particles are not close to each other. They are distant but not so far away. A liquid flows and takes the shape of the container. Next, can you read it, Mr. Lim? Angelica?
Materials in a gaseous state can spread out to completely fill the container or room they are in. Girls have weight, the gases have weight, gases can squash, gases do not keep their shape.
Okay, a gas does not have definite shape and does not have definite volume. The particles make a gas move quickly and freely. It means that the gas flow freely because they do not have a definite volume and definite shape. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The air around you is a gas. Say for example, the water before is a gas. So, are you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So next, wants to read? Raise your hand, Angelica.
We can explain the differences between solids, liquids, and gases by knowing what they are made of. Scientists have found out that all materials are made of very tiny particles. These particles are so small that we cannot see them with our eyes or even with a microscope. The position and behavior of the particles is different in solids, liquids, and gases.
Okay, matter was composed, the different phases of matter was composed of solid, liquid, and gas, right? So each phases was composed of particles. Particles are tiny or it cannot be seen our eyes unless we use tools like microscope. So do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, since you understand the discussion of today, let's have an activity. I have here 3 cards, and all I want you to do is to pick some cards, and it composed of 3 differentiated activities. Okay, I only give you 10 minutes to do that. Time starts now. Okay, guys, arrange the markers and take your seat. So group 1, can you explain, can you present here in front your activity?
So good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. So these are the output of group 1. So there are 3 types of mothers. So first solid. The example of solid is a table. So solid is that they are close to each other, while the liquid, example of liquid is coffee. Liquid it is not close to each other, and the last E is gas. Example of gas is balloon. They will gas they will be flow freely.
Okay, thank you. So next, the group 2. Group 2 is all about the movements of the particles.
So first we will activate solid. Solid is closely to each other. Second is liquid. So they are not close to each other. Next is gas. Okay, this is gas. It is in they will move free. That's all.
Okay, so thank you guys. So last, the group 3. The group 3 will present how important matter is in our everyday lives and its business. Okay, here in front, and explain your answer.
Okay. Understanding the science of matter and spaces opens doors to exploring a vast range of phenomena, from weather patterns and climate change to the formation of stars and planets. This knowledge enables us to develop new technologies, address environmental challenges, and gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate working of the universe around us. Matter and spaces are not just abstract scientific concepts, they are the very building blocks of our world and play a vital role in every aspect of our lives. Daily lives. By understanding and appreciating their significance, we can be better navigate the challenges and opportunities of life ahead.
Okay, thank you for your presentation, Group 3. And now, do you have any questions, class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, if you really understand our lesson, I would like to question how matter is important for your life, Shiny.
Understanding matter and its reasons are not just abstract scientific concepts. They are the very building blocks of our world and play a vital role in every aspect of our daily lives.
Okay, how about you, Sergey? How important matters in your life, rather?
So, the important for me, mother is very important as a person, as a human, to use in our everyday life, just like the toothbrush, to put TVs, mothers to evolve or to improve the human.
Okay, the matter is very essential for our everyday lives because we consume it the every day. The food we eat is all composed of matter. Everything that we see, that we touch, that we smell, that we hear also is all about matter. The clothes that we use is all about matter. It's we want and need matter out every day. Okay? And now let's have another activity. Direction. Read it all together. Fill in words. So fill in the properties of solid, liquid, and gas. So number 1. In the shape of the liquid is take up container. What is in the solid? Angelica.
It is infinite shape, ma'am.
Yes, of course.
It has infinite shape.
It has definite shape. If the solid has definite shape and the liquid takes up the shape of the container, how about the gas? Discern.
No definite shape.
Yes, gas, it has no definite shape. So, when it comes in the volume, the solid has definite volume, while the gas takes the container volume. How about the volume, the liquid? As I said earlier, this very volume. Yes, it has definite volume. And in the particle arrangement, if the liquid flows stick back to each other and the gas divide the space to each other, how about the solid? Solid.
Tightly packed.
Yes, they are tightly packed to each other. And in the particle movement, the solid has minimal movement, while the gas has rapidly and rapidly movement. How about the liquid? Angelica.
It will flow freely.
Yes, it flows freely. It looks like you very understand our lessons in class. It's very easy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's have another activity. Yay! Please read directions all together.
In a one-word sheet of paper, fill in the blanks according to instructors
So, get one question on paper. And answer. I will give you 3 minutes for this because this is only. Okay. It's only 5 items. Just now we finish the number 1 and number 2 so that we can proceed to number 3 and 4, 5. I will give you 3 minutes. So let's answer first. Number 1, let's read and answer. Angelica.
Particles of liquids are close together while particles of solid are packed. Packed is the answer, ma'am.
Yes, particles of solid are packed to each other. It means that other particles are packed to each other. The limits of the particles are very not so slow. Number 2, Shailin.
Liquid is the shape of a container while gas, no definite shape.
So, liquid takes the shape of a container, while gas has no definite shape. No definite shape is answered. Are you all correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Number 3, Mr. Lee.
The movement of particles in gas move rapidly and randomly while the liquid flow freely.
Okay, the movements of gas move rapidly and rapidly, while the liquid flow freely. Okay, number 4, Shailin.
Liquids have the mobility, while solid have low mobility.
Okay, the solid has no mobility, while the liquid has moderate mobility. Number 5, Angelica.
Solid has definite volume while liquid has also definite volume.
Yes, both solid and liquid has definite volume. Thank you, class, for your participation. Can I get your one more? Pass it one more. So, for tomorrow, pass this assignment for tomorrow. Write how can matter be changed from one phase to another. Again, write on how the matter can be changed from one state or from one phase another. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Goodbye,